Everything changes.
Hello guys and welcome to Life is About Ride. It's been a long time that I haven't made any biking vlog. I made traveling vlogs but not a biker vlog. So today I'm going to do that. Some kid broke my rear view mirrors, so I have to get this fixed. By the way, so today is Sunday, so we are visiting a dam which is near Hosur. Actually we planned to visit a dam which is on the way to Mysore, but we couldn't get up actually on time. And then we thought it's way too hot to visit that place in the afternoon. So this place is pretty near to our place. According to Google Maps, it's about 1 hour and 20 minutes, 40 minutes from my place. I love the sound of this bike, but I'm not a huge fan of this bike. But yeah, I love the sound. It's awesome. The madness will start again. अपन को वहां से राइट लेना था, अपन ने पहले राइट ले लिया. आई थिंक यही है यार, यही है. As you can see the beauty. So this is the entry for the dam. We have to get in by 7 o'clock, but we are waiting for our friends. That's my bike. And that's the view we are getting. The sun is already set, so we cannot get the sunset view. This is looking really bad. Got a scratch. So we have entered the dam. Sun has already set, otherwise view बहुत अच्छा आता है. But क्या करें?
हम लोग उठे नहीं इसलिए नहीं आया.
हम लोग उठे नहीं इसलिए नहीं. Actually हम उठ जाते थे तो.
Lost in translation in this guys, if it's not here.
Look at the flow, man. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि पानी नहीं है यार, पानी है. बस पानी विजिबल नहीं है.
तुम्हारा घर है वो.
हाँ, मेरा घर नहीं है. My roots come from that place, you know.
ये लोटस हो.
कमल की जड़ें हैं वो.
देखो तुमने कमल इधर. मैंने बोला था ना स्टोन है प्रिंस.
बंद है.
हाँ बट देखो ना स्टोन उस शेप का है. So guys, that means if somebody falls, they do die because they'll hit directly over there. हाँ तो सिर्फ एक पानी का एक लेयर था. तुम जितने प्रेशर से जाते हो, you need to go at least 6 feet deep.
अब यहाँ पे पूरा अंधेरा हो गया है, so I think हमें जाना चाहिए. नीचे भी जा सकते हैं. वो लोग नीचे ही हैं.
देखो बहुत आगे तक है यार ये तो.
नाइस व्यू यार, बट अंधेरा हो गया है.